What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, yesterday we saw that the market crashed quite a bit. Today, I wouldn't necessarily say that it's a recovery, but at least it's kind of holding steady rather than everything dropping off the face of the earth. Now, we still have some things that might be more negative than others, but it's good to see some green as well as red in the market. But what I want to talk about here today is XRP because there are people that will say that XRP is just not it. It's not going to be worth anything. And I'm a big fan of XRP, so I'm going to speak the opposite. I'm going to tell you that I believe XRP is going to be worth a lot more than where it stands here today. And since that's going to be the case, this may be the opportunity that you wanted to purchase XRP because it's at a much lower level than where it was recently, right? Even where it was at its high point. And it's looking like you have an opportunity in front of you. Now, before I get into this, understand that this is all a suggestion by me. It's never anything, I wouldn't say it's not serious, but it's never anything that you should look at and go, Matt 100% follows it or 100% believes in it, so that's why I'm buying it. You want to see other opinions that are in there, but you also want to take your own information, your own research, and say, this is what I'm going to buy, and these are the reasons why. You know what I mean? So make sure you're making your own decision and you are doing your own research, not just for me, but for you, right? So that you have the ability to invest into the next thing based on your research that you did here. But before we get into the breakdown of this, XRP and all that stuff, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. One more thing, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. It is a great platform that allows you the ability to trade up to a 500x leverage. Now, you don't have to if you don't want to. You can trade outright, or you can do a low leverage, like a 2x leverage, just to secure yourself and make it a little bit safer. It won't be 100% risk-free, but you will make it a safer bet the lower leverage you are doing. So make sure you check it out. They just finished a giveaway and they gave 375 USDT away to 2 people today. And that was amazing. But yeah, feel free to check it out. Link is at the top of the description. Anyways, the market. The market currently stands at a 2.61 trillion dollar market cap. It is slightly up on the day, basically break even. If we look at Bitcoin, it's at 0.6% down. Ethereum's at 3% down, kind of one of the largest that I saw in the top 10 that's there. But you have BNB that's down. You have XRP that's actually up by 1%, and so on and so forth. The fall that we saw extends to the 7-day look. 12% down for coin market cap 20 index DTF, 11% for Bitcoin, 17% for Ethereum, 12% for BNB, and then 12% for XRP. But if we focus in on XRP and where that stands, XRP is sitting at a $1.59 price. If we look at the last 24 hours, it is slightly up. The last week, it is down by 12.3%. When you see these drops may scare a lot of people, right? Where you're like, I don't know what to do. I don't know, if I should buy it, if I should hold it, if I should sell it, what I should do with this. And I totally understand where you're coming from. It creates a lot of fear. People are fearful of the fact that it could come back down to a 50-cent price point. And there's always a possibility that we could see it at those levels again. And if we did, I'm sure there will be a lot of people that are being very, very greedy at those prices. But where we are here, a $1.60 price is definitely a steal compared to what we saw at the middle level, at the mid level, at the high level, and even at what our projections are. Right? There's so much room for growth. You may experience some negativity before you experience positivity, but the point is that you're going to experience that positivity as long as you have that patience. That's what's crazy. people don't understand, right? This is the time when everybody is fearful, when it's down 12%, when it's down whatever percent in the last month, right? 19, 20% in the last month. People get fearful. And when people are fearful, you should be greedy. Because if you scoop up as much as you can, you will have short term gains, you will have long term gains, you have ultra long term gains, and even gains for forever positions. Ones that can increase your net worth in what you're holding, your children's net worth in what they're holding. That's what we're looking for. That's why I have a large amount of XRP. It still is above my cost basis here, so I haven't decided to purchase any more. But if we did see some of these lower levels, if we did see a $1 price point, if we did see a 50-cent price point, for sure, I'm in there as much as I possibly can, right? So right now is an opportunity in my eyes. In my eyes is an opportunity to where you could potentially have something set up for life, you know, for your children and their children's children potentially, as you have something that's going to be highly valuable and sought after like XRP. It currently sits at a $1.60 price, a $97 billion market cap with almost 61 billion coins in circulating supply, and actually have reached the 500,000 holder mark, which is phenomenal. This is going to be used, in my opinion, this is going to be used, and from what I've seen in other research that's out there, other articles, other, you can say experts, they believe that XRP will be worth so much more than where it is today. You have some that don't see the point in it. Maybe they have their own play that they want to push along. It might be Bitcoin. It might be a Bitcoin maxi or Ethereum maxi, whatever. But XRP is going to be worth a lot more than where it stands here today. So I'll tell you that I have some earmarked for the short term. I have some earmarked for the long term, and ultra long term and forever. I have a small amount for forever. I have a smaller amount, or a small amount as well, for ultra long term. Then it starts to grow as it gets shorter term, just to be able to collect my profit and make me feel good about holding it long term. But this is all my opinion, right? I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is 100% fact, that this is going to happen. I believe it to be, because that's what I'm invested into and why I'm invested into it. But it doesn't mean that it has to go to you and be the same way. You shouldn't feel, or don't have to feel, the same way about a cryptocurrency project. But all the people, all the doubters that are saying XRP is not going to be worth anything, that XRP is going to go back to the 50-cent mark and stay there, or it's going to go to zero and just not be worth anything, those people are missing out. And for everybody that is following them without doing their own research, they are also missing out. So I'm excited for what XRP will bring to, my portfolio as well as the world. And right now is an opportunity. I think so. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about XRP. If you feel the complete opposite, let me know in the comment section. If you feel the same way, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.